Well guys, as you can see, it is snowing. So I thought, what better chance to show you how my Land Rover starts in the cold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a really good starter ever since I put them upgraded glow plugs in. Not very nice outside though. It's coming down a bit hard at the moment. I'll show you what I've been up to. Right guys, so this is the other thing I was telling you that's been holding me up a little bit. Just had the engine out. It's really rotten on there. We've got all new panels for it. It is a Traveller. I do have a picture, I'll paste it in now. Right, so yeah, it's had some repairs in the past. You go down the pillar there, it'll be a full strip down. We've got to reline the doors because they don't shut right, because when they got welded up on the pillars they was too low. All the floors have gone rotten, so we've got all new floors for it now. The back is surprisingly not too bad. Probably need a new panel in there. Might probably patch it maybe, you don't even see it. The rear section's gone. We're getting all new wood for it. I could do some videos on this if you guys are interested. Probably will. I mean, just kind of do whatever. Yeah, so this is what's been holding me up. Now I'll give you a sneak peek of what I bought. And I'm just waiting on a mic adapter for the GoPro. I already have the microphone to get some better audio, because what I've noticed when I'm working underneath the bonnets on like doing the glow plugs and changing the boost pin, that we've had slight issues with sound. So I'm kind of fixing that. Yeah, so this is a nice Traveller. I'm quite happy to be doing this. Over there we have an A30, that's my Farah's. It's on the 2-poster. This one's getting put onto the jig, so we can all weld it up nice and straight. It's having new chassis legs, all the engine bottom there's being done. It's having new bumper, I don't know what you call them, bars I guess. That's what the bumper bolts onto. And it's having that little panel in there. We're going to patch up the major part of the wing, because I mean it's only just that little bit on the end that's gone. 2 floors are putting in, a cross member, and then we've got that rear, I don't know what you call it. I probably call it a valance, but I'd probably call it a cross member, I don't know. New fuel tank, new wood. Yeah, I'm not sure apart from that. I haven't really looked too much at the moment. I do know he's bought a load of panels. Yeah, so this one's quite interesting. I'll go and show you the other project now. This will be the next video, doing the clutch. We'll have the mic by then. Just painted underneath the front half here. No rot. Cleaned off all under here. No rot. Piece of rot in the chassis here. Going to weld that up, paint the rest of it. We are still rocking the Range Rover seats. Lovely. Due an MOT off the road at the moment. Going to paint the other side. Change the tyres because I had a few dodgy tyres that I had to get rid of. Then I bought this. Yeah. Got a nice straight bumper. Chassis is not too bad. Let me get my torch. It's gone a bit on the front there, but I mean, apart from that, it is not bad. Bulkhead is the worst bit. It's not too bad, really, you know, on straightness. It is pretty straight. It's not bad under there. A few little holes. Anger's still intact on this side, not on the other. Corner's been bumped in, kind of like it. And there, some Defender doors. Picked them up, decent value. Need a couple of little things. A little striker for the bulkhead, and I need the latch little cover that goes on the door card, and a door pull. Yeah, I think I might put them on the short wheelbase Series 3 and turn it into like an everyday vehicle. Bit better security with them, bigger windows. It's had an hard life in here, this. We got all dints in the back, both sides. Chassis not too bad here. It was on eBay, couldn't resist myself. Should probably stop going on there. It's a diesel. Chassis has we need a new spring hanger here. Probably rebuild it actually, I'll make a new one. Probably make a new one. Fuel tank doesn't look too bad. Probably start if I put some effort into it, but I won't bother. I'll just wait until I've redone it. Chassis not too bad really. Needs a few repairs. Bulkhead's the biggest problem. Completely shit. Pardon my French. Needs probably a bit of wiring sorting out. Had the Lux seats at one point. Got some nice shotgun brackets on there. And the farmer used to have like his little coat rack up there. He had his light switches up here. We got the light switches, I don't know. Yep, there's the switches up above, and he had his little light on it. That's pretty cool, I thought. I'll show you the engine and then we'll wrap this video up. Alright guys, here's the engine bay. Not too bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.